Alright, so I want to show you all this. I know a lot of people don't have a parts washer because they're doing one car that they're working on. So this is my Redneck parts washer. It works great. Um, so basically, it costs you about 25 bucks. You buy this in a bucket. Well, a bucket's are expensive, so maybe 30. Um, this is just regular old degreaser. Buy it in bulk. Pour it in our bucket. I'm really cheap, so I take those brushes that come with your free the brush you get when you buy like degreaser. That is a Redneck parts washer. It works. If you want to let stuff soak, you can literally just fill it up more, soak it. And when this bucket gets too dirty and use half of this stuff, well then you take the top off of this bucket. Super simple. It works. You don't have to buy a $150 parts washer plus all the stuff that goes with it. Have stored in your shop to use it twice a year. I probably need a parts washer, let's be honest. I do enough stuff. I don't have the room, and honestly, every time I need one, I forget. I don't want to drive all that hard freight to get one. And that's it. Super simple. Nothing. Even takes out rat turds. No reason to complicate a process if you don't need to. But you will get a little dirty. But if you like working on old cars like me, you're pretty much getting dirty every time you work. So I figured y'all want to see that. I'll be here for another hour doing that. So I'll shut the camera off because you don't want to watch that.